What's the meaning of bird of passage? Bird of passage. Bird of passage.
Bird of passage. Bird of passage. The term bird of passage refers to a person who frequently moves from one place to another, without settling down in any one location for an extended period of time. It is often used to describe individuals who travel extensively for work or pleasure, as well as migrant workers who move seasonally to find employment opportunities. The phrase is derived from the idea of migratory birds, which fly from one region to another with changing seasons. Birds of passage may experience feelings of restlessness or detachment from any one specific place and instead embrace the freedom and flexibility associated with their transient lifestyle.